is a good thing. I'm easily amused and turned into a happy camper some days. Alrighty, so I have 4 fat quarters already lined up, a cream and a navy and a cream and a navy, and we're gonna go iron these. First of all, you really do, well, you could do it without ironing them, but I'm a little bit OCD about details and I want them ironed. All right, you might be tempted to just iron the whole stack all at once, and maybe that's okay. But if there's a crease and a crinkle and a wrinkle, and you cut them with that in there when you get ready to use it and it has a wrinkle in it, it's now going to be not the right size. So it's probably best to go ahead and actually make sure that each layer is ironed nicely. And you could do each one totally independently, or you could do them kind of all at once and keep moving them. But oh yeah, see, this one has a wrinkle in it. See that wrinkle? And if you cut it with that wrinkle in there, I don't know if you can see that very easily, but that would really mess up the size of that square. And actually it would probably interfere with a bunch of squares. So yeah. So do it right from the beginning. Prep work is important.